Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, December 5th, and I'm going to be analyzing the pound yen, starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. But also, don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com, if you'd like to get access to my swing trade setups, my daily members-only live streams on Zoom, and my 34 video trading course, all included for only $30 per month. So anyways, on the pound yen, I think we are very likely in a wave 4, which I think will end up looking something like this before we end up pushing back up to make a wave 5, which is part of what I think is a very, very clear 5-wave uptrend on the monthly time frame. Taking it down to the weekly time frame. Now we do have a couple possibilities here. Possibility is number one is that this is the end of a wave B, and this is just going to make lower lows, lower highs, going down and making the wave C of wave 4. But we cannot rule out the possibility that this is like some sort of a running or an expanding correction right here that actually goes up one more time to complete like an A running flat wave B and then wave C, and this would be an A, B, C, or B. And then it would potentially go down for the wave C. So we definitely do have a couple possibilities. Luckily, we should be able to recognize when this downtrend is over on sort of time frames. Heading down to the daily time frame, to me, it is going up pretty strong, obviously, but I think that it is not over. I think this is a 1, 2, 3. I think there's a very good chance this move up is a wave 4, and that we're going to get at least one more push down for a 5. And if this really is the end of a correction up here, then it potentially is not a wave 5. It potentially is just a subdivision of a much bigger downtrend. So taking it down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, we definitely got to break a structure to the upside, so we can pretty much say that this whole move down from here to here is over. So we got our Fibonacci retracement on the move down. If this is really a wave 4, which it totally looks like it is, then it'll probably make some sort of a three-way pattern like an A, B, C up to at least a 38, maybe even the 50% for a wave 4. I think there's a wave 1 back here, a wave 2. I think this is a wave 3, a wave 4, and then possibly down for the wave 5. So, keeping all that in mind, let's take it down to the 1 hour time frame. On the 1 hour time frame, nice breaker structure to the upside, nice impulsive move to the upside. Most likely this is an A. And the question is whether the B is already over. It looks a little too small. It might actually end up stretching out into a bigger pattern, maybe something like this, and then continuing back up to at least the 38 or the 50%. So like an A, B, C, or B, and then up for the C. If you see it go up to one of these fib levels, whether it's a 50 or the 38, and make like a double top, and then a breaker structure to the downside at either one of these fib levels, definitely could happen at the 38% also. Either way, if you see this picture right here at either fib level, then I would definitely take it as a short for the continuation of the downtrend. So don't forget to join my free Discord group, which is linked out here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.